Hello students, I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. Today our topic is fractions. Today we have to discuss on topic fraction. Do you know what is fraction? Firstly, I have to define you what is fraction. You can see here that is a whole object. Okay? You can see here that is a whole object, and when a whole object divided into some equal part, each part are called fraction. Okay? When a whole divided into some equal parts, then each equal parts are called fractions. As like we have to divide it into two equal parts. You can see here that this whole is divided into two equal parts. What I have said when a whole divided into some equal parts, then each part is called fraction. Okay, so we can say that both parts are fraction. Fraction means piece. Okay, and you can see here piece are part. Okay, you can see here that both are fraction. Okay, and what will be the fraction for this parts? Okay, listen here. Firstly, we have to discuss a fraction, that is there is numerator and there is denominator. A fraction is made from numerator and denominator. We know that a fraction is made from numerator and denominator. Okay, so we have to discuss firstly what is numerator and what is denominator. Okay, listen here. Denominator shows how many parts are there. Denominator shows that how many parts are there. As like there are two equal parts, so the denominator will be 2. So the denominator for each part will be 2, and numerator shows that which part fraction is this. Numerator shows that which fraction of whole is this. That is one part in two part. That is one part of two part. Okay, so the fraction will be 1 by 2. So the fraction will be 1 by 2 and this fraction will be 1 by 2. Okay, I have said when a whole divided into some equal parts, that each part are called fraction, each part are called part or fraction. Okay, and now we know that denominator shows that how many equal parts are there, and numerator shows that this part, what will be the fraction for this part, what is the ratio of this part. Okay, so that is 1 by 2, and in this 1 by 2 both are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. And we can also say that if these are all together, we can say that they make whole. As like we can see here, when we add 1 plus 2, that is we can see here that as like fraction, so they are same denominator, and when we add it, there will be 2 and there will be 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 2, and we can say that 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so 2 by 2 we can say that 2 by 2, and we can also say it half. We can say half 1 or 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 or 1 second. Okay, 1 second. We can say it 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 half and 1 second. Okay, let's take another example of such type. Okay, listen here. We have to take another example for it. Listen what we have to do. Listen. Now we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So the each part of, we can say that there are what denominators. So firstly we have to decide what is denominator. So denominator shows that how many parts are there, how many total parts are there. So the denominator of each part will be 4. Okay, so the denominator of each part will be 4. And what is numerator? So numerator shows that what ratio, what fraction of this part is. Okay, so that will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. And when we add them, when we keep all together, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 1 1 1, that is 4, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is called 4 by 4, and 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so we can say that, and what we call it, we have to call it 1/4 or quarter. We have to call it 1/4, 1/4 or 1 by 4, 1 by 4 or quarter. We can say quarter also, quarter. Okay, and now our next topic is types of fraction. Listen here, what are types of fraction? We have to discuss types of fraction. We have to discuss now types of fraction. How many types of fraction? Listen here, how many types of fraction? Okay, firstly we have to discuss how many types of fraction. Okay, and now that is topic. First is proper fraction. First fraction is proper fraction. We can say that what is proper fraction. Firstly we have to discuss what is proper fraction. Then a proper fraction when numerator is smaller than denominator, when numerator is smaller than denominator, when numerator is smaller than denominator, this fraction is called proper fraction. When numerator is smaller than denominator, this fraction is called proper fraction, as like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. These are improper fraction. Sorry, proper fraction. And now second is improper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Second is improper fraction, and in this fraction, the improper fraction is the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller. Okay, and the fraction of such type is 2 by 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, and 5 by 4, and 6 by 5. These fractions are called improper fraction. And we have to know also that improper fraction can be changed in mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be changed in mixed fraction. So firstly we have to know what is mixed fraction. We have to discuss also what is mixed fraction. So improper fraction can be changed in mixed fraction. So we have to also know what is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? So listen, mixed fraction is combination of whole and proper fraction. Mixed fraction are combination of whole and proper fraction. So now we have to discuss what is mixed fraction. Okay, and let's take an example, 12 by 3, and that is improper fraction. Sorry, 12 by 5, and that is improper fraction, and we have to change it improper fraction, and we have to change it in mixed fraction. We have to change it in mixed fraction. Okay, listen how we can change it mixed fraction. Firstly we have to divide how we can change the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Listen here, how we can change the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Listen, how we can change improper fraction to mixed fraction. For converting mixed fraction, we have to divide 12 by 5. 5 to the 12, sorry, 5 to the 10, and there is remainder 2. So we have to write in the form of q whole d upon q whole r upon d. Q whole r upon d. We have to write in the form of q whole r upon d. Here q is quotient and r is remainder and d is divisor. Okay, so we have to write in the form of q whole r by d. So q, what is q? Q is the 2. And what is r? R is also 2. And what is d? Divisor. Divisor is 5. that fraction changed in, and this fraction is changed in mixed fraction. Which fraction? The such type of called mixed fraction. And I have said you that mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. So you can see here that this number is combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, and now we have to check how we can change mixed fraction, improper fraction to mixed fraction. Listen here carefully. Improper fraction to mixed fraction. Listen, there is some improper fraction to mixed fraction. We have changed, and now we have to learn how we can change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Listen here. Mixed fraction को हम improper fraction में how we can change. Listen, there is an example 2 whole 2 by 5, 2 whole 2 by 3. We have to multiply 3 and 2. 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2 plus 2 by 3. That is 3 to get 6, 6 and 2, 8 by 3. That is mixed and that is improper. Okay, and now let's talk on which topic we was studying. Third is called like fraction. In like fraction, the denominators are same as like 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2. These are like fraction. And fourth is unlike fraction. In unlike fraction, the denominators are different with each other. 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 7 by 9, 4 by 8, 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 2. These are called unlike fraction. And now we have to, there is one fraction that is called unit fraction. The fraction who have numerator 1, these are called unit fraction. As like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Thank you. We have to meet in next video with new topic.